Custody cases are emotionally charged and legally complex proceedings, often marked by the presence of gender bias that can disproportionately affect fathers seeking custody of their children. While societal norms and biases have evolved over time, gender stereotypes still persist and potentially influence court decisions. For men facing custody battles, navigating these biases and securing a fair outcome requires careful consideration, thoughtful preparation, and a strategic approach. In this video, I aim to provide guidance to fathers on how to defend against gender bias in a custody trial. 1. Choose a competent attorney. The foundation of any successful custody battle is having a knowledgeable and experienced attorney by your side. Look for a lawyer who specializes in family law and has a track record of handling cases that involve challenging gender bias. A skilled attorney can help you understand the legal landscape, build a strong case, and advocate effectively on your behalf. 2. Document your involvement. Gather evidence that highlights your active involvement in your child's life. This could include records of school meetings, extracurricular activities, medical appointments, and other aspects of their upbringing. Demonstrating your commitment as a father and your capacity to provide a stable environment can help counter stereotypes that men are less capable caregivers than women are. These stereotypes aren't true, but the other side is going to rely on them, and it's your job to call them out for the nonsense that they are. Having evidence is going to help you highlight that nonsense. 3. Maintain open communication. Effective communication with your ex-spouse is essential, especially when children are involved. Showing a willingness to cooperate and collaborate on matters related to parenting can showcase your dedication to fostering a healthy co-parenting relationship. Avoiding conflict and focusing on the child's best interests can demonstrate your maturity and your commitment to their well-being. 4. Develop a detailed parenting plan. Draft a comprehensive parenting plan that outlines your proposed arrangement for custody, visitation, and co-parenting responsibilities. This plan should address the child's emotional, educational, physical, and mental needs. Presenting a well-thought-out plan that prioritizes your child's welfare will demonstrate your dedication and preparedness as a father and your willingness to give them the best. 5. Highlight your support network. In your custody battle, emphasize the supportive network of people that you have in place, including family, friends, and community resources. Having a strong support system indicates your ability to provide a stable and nurturing environment for your child. This can also counter any biases that assume that men are less capable of providing care and emotional support to children. 6. Be transparent about your lifestyle. Provide clear insight into your living conditions and your lifestyle. By doing this, demonstrate that you can create a safe, comfortable space for your child to live in. Be ready to answer questions about your work schedule, your living arrangements, and the routines that you'll establish to accommodate your child's needs. 7. Document the other parent's behavior. While focusing on your own strengths as a father is paramount, it's also important to maintain an objective perspective. Document instances where the other parent might exhibit behavior that could negatively impact your child's well-being. Maintain records of any violations of agreements or court orders that could help demonstrate your commitment to your child's safety. Remember, in a custody trial, fathers facing gender bias can take proactive steps to level the playing field and to secure a fair outcome. By assembling a strong legal team, documenting your involvement, fostering open communication, and emphasizing your ability to provide a stable and nurturing environment for your child, you can challenge and defeat stereotypes, and you can demonstrate your suitability as a loving and responsible parent. The ultimate goal here is to prioritize the well-being of your child and advocate for their best interests while dismantling gender biases that may unfairly influence custody decisions. I'm Chris Kaczmarek with Paré Associates. Please give me a call and let's start developing your strategy.